Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Blupeak is free to use. When looking at financial institutions and credit unions like Blupeak, understanding the fee structure is essential before opening an account or utilizing their digital tools. Let us break down what is free and what costs might apply so you can manage your money effectively without running into unexpected charges. First, let us examine their digital and mobile banking services. Blupeak provides its mobile app, online banking platform, mobile check deposits, and text banking completely free of monthly service charges. You can check your account balances, transfer funds between accounts, pay bills, and locate surcharge-free ATMs across participating networks without paying an ongoing fee to access those digital tools. Standard text or data rates from your mobile carrier may still apply, but the platform itself does not charge a subscription fee to log in and manage your money. Next, let us look at everyday banking products, specifically checking accounts. Blupeak offers options like their Blueripple checking account and free checking accounts with statements. These accounts feature no monthly service fees provided you meet certain criteria, such as maintaining paperless statements. They also typically require a low initial opening deposit, such as $25, making them accessible if you are setting up a standard personal account. However, while basic usage, digital access, and standard account tiers can be maintained for free, free to use does not mean every single service is without cost. Credit unions generate revenue and cover operational costs through specific out-of-network or specialized transactions. For instance, using a non-network ATM can incur a fee from both the machine operator and Blupeak. Specialized services like outgoing domestic or international wire transfers, expedited bill payments, or official checks also carry standard service fees outlined in their fee schedule. Additionally, maintaining membership requires keeping an initial ownership share deposit on file. In summary, Blupeak is free to use for standard, everyday banking needs as long as you stay within the parameters of your account agreement. By opting into statements, utilizing their extensive surcharge-free ATM network, and managing your funds primarily through their free digital and mobile apps, you can completely avoid monthly maintenance fees. Always review the current schedule of fees on their official website to align your banking habits with zero-fee options. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.